Happy 7 times 17 squared. Well, it's New Year's Day, and I was scrolling through Facebook, and my friend Maria had this great formula, 7 times 17 squared, and I did the math, and sure enough, it's 2023. Happy New Year's. And I started wondering, that seems like a really nice compact formula. Has this happened before? 7 times 17 squared. So, I came here and figured I'd use Excel to try and answer this. So we'll just build 46 numbers down the left-hand side. I'm going to raise it to 2 right now. And then across the top, let's see, I want another sequence. This time I want it to go sideways. So 1 row, 9 columns. And we get the numbers 1 through 9. Then, of course, this is a simple little formula here. Equal the number to the left of us. I'll press F4 1, 2, 3 times to lock that column down. Raise to the number immediately to the left of us. Press F4 3 times again to lock the column down. And then multiply that by the number directly above us. And this time I'll press F4 twice to lock just the row down. Copy that across. Double click to copy that down. And just to find them quickly here, under conditional formatting, new rule, we're going to use only cells that contain, and I'm just going to say they're between 1950, that's before I was born, up to 2050. That'll be after I'm dead. Format, and we'll just use an orange there. Click OK, click OK. All right, so it's interesting. They're not sorted, of course, but 2000 appears to be the last time. 2023, and then we're going to have a run of them here. 2023, 2025, and 2028. And then there'll be a big gap out to 2048 before that pattern happens again. Although this one right here, that's pretty amazing. We're in just 2 years from today. We'll be celebrating a year, at least for the first time in most of our lifetimes, that is a perfect square, 45 squared, so 2025. We should plan some big square parties for 2 years from now. So consider this podcast your 2-year wake-up call to make your plans for 2025. Here's all of the answers that follow this n times n squared. So 2020, 2023, 2025, 2028, 2048. And actually, when you change that, the exponent from 2 to others, there's a lot of 2048s that come up. Because it's a perfect 1024 times 2, so there's all kinds of items there. Will I make it that far? That's a good question. I don't know. Yeah, maybe that's our goal, to have to make it out to 2048. All right, so there you go. 2023 is 7 times 17 squared. Thanks to Maria for pointing that out. Look forward to 2025 when we have a perfect square year like that. All right, thanks to Maria for figuring out that great formula, and thanks to you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.